Welcome back. Goa government has contended that there is not enough population of scheduled castes to reserve a seat in Zilla Panchayat election. Goa government in its affidavit filed before the High Court has stated not even 4% population exists in both the districts, which is a requirement for reservation for a seat. Akhil Gomantak Sant Rohidas Samaj and other petitioners have sought for reservation for scheduled caste in ZP election.
State government in its affidavit filed before the High Court has stated that for reservation of one seat in a Zilla Panchayat, total population of the scheduled caste should be aggregate 4% of the total corresponding population of a Zilla Panchayat. The state government has further stated that the scheduled caste aggregate population of the state is 1.66%. The scheduled caste population of North Goa is 2.35% and South Goa is only 0.97%. Goa government has pleaded to dismiss the petition on this ground. Goa government has also denied allegation that date of ZP election was notified hastily. Government has contended that enough time was given to the stakeholders to raise their contentions or approach the appropriate forum. The High Court will hear this matter on 16th March. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Goincha Kul Munkaran Swavaz has appealed the voters to vote for independent candidates who oppose the amendment in Agricultural Tenancy Act. They have appealed the public not to vote for the candidates backed by the party in power as they support government's decision on amendment in Kul Munkaryal Act.
Goincha Kul Munkaran Swavaz have appealed the voters to vote for the candidates who will fight and get Tenancy Amendment Act repealed.
घर चलो अभियान आम्ही सुरू केला म्हणजे ही जागृती घराघरान पावपाक जाय की आदलो कायदो आसलो तो जर आसा तसो जर परत थेयलो जाल्यार तुमचे शेतकऱ्यांचे आणि मुणकारांचे खरोखरच कल्याण जातले आणि हे आसा तशें जर जालें जाल्यार विधानसभेन हो कायदो रिपील जावपाक जाय.
Awaz has appealed to vote for the candidates who would work for the ownership rights of the land and houses without the court proceedings.
शेतकऱ्यांचे आणि मुणकारांचे जर प्रश्न सुट्टले जाल्यार ते विधानसभेनूच सुटपाक जाय. जाल्यार आमी ह्या घटाक जो कष्टकरी समाज आसा हेका वाट दाखयची पडली बाबा तुमचे जे सोल्युशन जे आसा तुमचो जो उपाय आसा हे तर रिपील जातले ते विधानसभेनूच ते रिपील जावपाक जाय.
Senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
India continued their dominance in the World Cup by beating Ireland by 8 wickets in their 5th match in Hamilton. Shikhar Dhawan and Rohit Sharma gave India a solid start. Shikhar Dhawan was awarded the man of the match for his 100 of 85 balls. India remains at the top of Pool B table with 10 points. India will be playing its last match of qualifying stage against Zimbabwe on 14th March.
Oh, how sweet's that? But it's not sweet enough. It should be out. It is out. Oh, yeah! Got him. Snuck it through.
Good shot. Super shot.
Ireland back and he's gone. Caught behind. It certainly was a nick.
Oh, that's out. This could be out. This could be all out, yes.
Hits a gap and hits a boundary. Beautifully timed. Oh, and even better, that's over the top for 6.
Nice sound. Sounded sweet. Well, he stands and delivers, Virat Kohli. Oh, cracking. What a cracking way to finish it off that is. It's 5 from 5 now for this Indian side, 10 points. They are on, they've already qualified for the quarter-final stages.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.